In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you the best strategy that you can do for you to be able to make more money in Farmers World. And also, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates. And there is also a giveaway of Farmers World, so make sure to put the link in, put your wax address into the comment section so that I will be able to include you, and the developers of Farmers World will actually give you, okay, will be the ones who will conduct a giveaway right now. So let's just go forward, okay, here. So previously, when I've made a Farmers World content, the access are being priced for more than $160. Right now, it is cost more than $332. And why is that? It is because Farmers World is being played by a lot of people right now, and also the play to earn mechanism into this game is a lot more better, a lot more profitable than the previous one, and that is the reason why the prices of the access into the secondary markets are selling really high. Okay, so this is my strategy. If you're going to begin into this game, the first thing that you want to do is you go forward here and you buy your first axe. Okay, so the best thing that you can do here is buy it. Okay, go into the home. Okay, and then start mining and getting some wood, and go into the smithy page and also convert your gold coins, your wood NFT wood in-game currencies into an NFT. So this one is a rare. You will able to see the reward rate here. So I would really recommend that if you have a budget, you go forward here and you just go buy NFTs, so that what will happen here is that you will be able to get more NFTs that you will be able to play, and also in that way you will be able to earn more wood, which you can always what do you call that? You can always exchange into the Wax Alco exchange. So the good thing here is that I think they've reduced the fees in terms of withdrawing your gold, your wood, or even your food. So before it was around 10%, but now it is 5%. And the good thing also here is that this percentage right here is being put it back into the reward pool. So it is pretty much ensuring you guys that you will be able to play this game and you will be able to earn this game in every single day. Okay, so this is the basic ones. And if you got pretty much lucky, or you feel like this is your lucky day, what you can do is buy your lucky pack here, because you have a chance to get either an NFT, either a pack, either I mean either an NFT or either a pack. Okay, so you will be able to unpack it here. So you see here, the pack adds is a 40% starter pack, 40% little love pack, and 20% membership pack. Okay, so membership pack is really good, because if you're going to look forward into this, let me just go forward here. Membership packs is really good because you'll be able to get extra slots, you'll be able to get an extra energy, and also the reward rates are a lot more higher, and also the charge time is around 24 hours. So this is going to really help you a lot in terms of earning more woods and also earning more money in Farmers World. And for you to be able to unpack, okay, if you decide to buy a Farmers World pack, you'll be go forward here into the Neftyblocks and just click the open option, which I'm also going to show it to you right now. I am opening my little love pack because that's what I've got into the lucky pack that they've just sent me. Okay, so little love pack, let's just open this. Okay, and it will be prompted here. So I got a small food token. Okay, so I got a small food token. So I'm just not sure what is its equivalent. So let's just refresh this real quick. So just log in here. Just make sure that you are logging it into an API wax.alohaeos.com, because that is the main RPC and the main server for you to be able to play Farmers World. Okay, so let me just open this food real quick. So this is a small food. Okay, so I'm just going to approve this. Doesn't matter. I mean, in my case, so I got 1,400 food. Okay, so I just really need like 400, and I will be able now to buy an axe, which is a very good choice if you're going to ask me. But if you want to aim for a higher profits, I suggest that you buy a chainsaw or a saw if you have a budget as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.